Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade prime. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and cold water. For the best flavor, select ripe, vibrant yellow lemons. You'll need approximately 6 to 8 medium-sized lemons to yield about 1 cup of fresh juice. Additionally, have 1 cup of granulated sugar and 4 cups of cold water ready. These simple components are the foundation of our perfect lemonade. Next, let's create our simple syrup, which is key to a smooth, well-balanced lemonade. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It's important not to boil the syrup, we just want to achieve full dissolution. Once clear, remove it from the heat and let it cool down entirely. This step prevents the sugar from recrystallizing and ensures a perfectly sweet drink. Now it's time for the star ingredient, fresh lemon juice. Carefully juice your 6 to 8 lemons, aiming for approximately 1 cup of fresh juice. Be sure to strain the juice through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp or seeds, ensuring a smooth texture. In a large pitcher, combine your freshly strained lemon juice with the completely cooled simple syrup. Then, add the remaining 3 cups of cold water and stir everything thoroughly until well combined. This creates the perfect base. Finally, for the ultimate refreshment, it's crucial to chill your lemonade. Place the pitcher in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, allowing all the flavors to meld and the drink to become perfectly cold. Before serving, give it a quick taste test. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more simple syrup. For more tartness, a splash more lemon juice. Serve your delicious lemonade over plenty of ice, garnished with fresh lemon slices or a sprig of mint. Enjoy this classic, perfectly balanced beverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.